Hey guys, how we doing? So this is our Binance update, day 33. So yeah, just a quick video, just check the accounts, let you know a few bits of business that I've been doing on those accounts. So yeah, we'll go straight over to there. So remember, we added this 0.638 Bitcoin. So what we're going to do is we'll take that off. So we're just going to do minus that plus what we've got. So we'll just refresh this one. Let me just get rid of that. So we're going to plus 1.074 and we'll go over to Binance and we will add one spot. All right, sorry, add that equals, and then we will add plus here we go, I've got my head around it now, 1.251. so that gives us the grand total of, we're actually 0.6871 Bitcoin. So literally we are about where we were yesterday. Binance has had a little bit of a pump, doing better. MXC, a couple of our MXC altcoins are definitely underperforming. Most notably down here we have Edgeware down 13%, and actually Ample as well down, but we do have Dot and Edgeware that are doing a bit better. So yeah, that's not too bad all in all. In fact, we will actually I think we had some orders in for some XOR that I'm not too certain are going to get filled. So seeing as we potentially have some good deals on the table here, I'll delete those buy orders. And it's Ample or Edgeware. Which do we add? I think we have more Edgeware. We have 2,000 Edgeware, and Ample we have 1,000. But I'm more confident on Edgeware. So it's a tough one. We'll add to the Ample position. We'll add to the Ample, and we'll just mark it by this. I think that does work. Let's just check here real quick. Let's just check this. It should just say that tether's gone now because we just used it. Yeah, it's gone, and then we should have, if we click over here, we should see we've got more Ample. Yeah, so that's correct. That's all fine. Yeah, so I basically gave up on those orders. It is always good to leave orders in because I did leave some in for Rune coin, which actually got filled at basically 84. I think if I click this on, you can see historical order. We bought this. We had a few buys, didn't we? Is it? No, yeah, Rune. It was this one. We bought. Oh no, it was it was a different account. I bought it out. Not to worry, guys. But yeah, we bought this initially. Basically, we bought this Rune. Oh, no, that's Ample. That's why. Sorry, because I'm not hide the other pairs. There we go. Yeah, we did buy it at 0.6 on this account, so that's because I left some orders in, and we literally wicked down to that level just there, as you can see. Filled me, and now we've gone back up. So that was a nice trade. On Binance, what we did, we had a lot of Tezos, and as you guys know, Tezos has been pumping, so I took quite a lot of Tezos off. Bearing in mind, we still got an okay amount of it left, and I actually bought some more iExec RLC and some more Swipe. Mainly just because they were the ones that were down. You see here, Swipe was down a little bit. RLC iExec. I think this is looking good for another pump to the upside. So we loaded up on that, and everything else, as you can see, is pretty much doing up. These were basically the things that were down the lowest, and obviously 0x was very high, so I did actually sell this morning at better levels than we've got now. So yes, that's all in all, that's about it. We are basically at 1.6871 Bitcoin. I think that's pretty much what we were at last night. Yeah, thanks for listening, guys, and I will catch you on the next one.